Hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Dark mode is a supplemental mode that can be used to display mostly dark surfaces on the UI. The design reduces the light emitted by device screen while maintaining the minimum color contrast ratios required for readability. The advantages of dark mode are: it enhances visual economics by reducing eye strains, facilitating screens to adjust according to the current light condition, and providing comfort of use at night or in dark environments. Additionally, it conserves battery power, thereby enabling device usage for longer periods without charging. Hey, what's up everyone, John here, and in this tutorial I'll show you how you can enable the dark theme in Microsoft Windows 10. Enough of the talk, why don't we jump right in? To enable the dark theme in Microsoft Windows 10, you need to open the settings app. There are two ways that you can open the settings app. One is by going to the start button, and you're going to locate the settings app from this end here. But one of the easiest ways that you can go about opening the settings app is by using the keyboard shortcut, which is the Windows logo key plus I. So upon pressing that, you're going to notice that the settings app will open. So upon the app opening, you need to head on to personalization. And then on the leftmost part of the screen, head on to colors. And then you're going to see all the options that has to do with the colors. So to change the theme from the white or the light theme to dark, you need to head on to choose your color and click the drop down to choose the dark theme. So just click that. So you're going to notice that now the color will change automatically. But you still notice that the accent color is still green. So if, for instance, I click the start button, I'll still have the tiles in the green color. If you want all of them to change to black color, then you need to come and change what we call the accent color. So to do that, head on back to the colors and scroll down to choose your accent color. So you see now the different colors that appear here, and currently I've chosen the green color. So you would want to come and pick a more dark color if that is what you want. For instance, this one. So if that is something that you want to appear in the start button, in the task bar, and in the action center, you need to come and enable that down here. So here you're going to see something that reads show accent color on the following services. So you can just come and check that. But if that is not something that you want to happen, then you need to uncheck that. So the accent color will also appear in title bars and windows borders. So now you'll notice if I come and open any folder, like I open the file explorer, I will see the folders in that dark theme. And that is all the time that we had for this video. It was aimed at helping you to be able to enable the dark mode in Windows 10 as it is in all the apps that we are using nowadays. If you like the video, kindly hit that like button, share the video with your friends so that we can share this knowledge, and more importantly, subscribe so that we can continue to boost your IT skills. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next one.